Think fast, solve this math puzzle in the order you hear it, solution at the end.
Take 5, 1, 2, 4, 4, a